Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Ram's Life channel guys. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the situation over here in the Saskatchewan, number of COVID-19 cases, part-time job and full-time job situation, as well as online classes and about the University of Regina, Saskatchewan Polytechnic and University of Saskatchewan guys. Currently the temperature over here right now is around 22 degrees centigrade, which is really high for the Saskatchewan, and weather is really nice outside. I'll show you a little bit around me so that you can have some idea about the weather over here. So it is really nice sunny day today, and from last like 1 month I'm not able to make a video because I am really busy, because this is my last semester and I'm so much busy with my project work as well as my part-time job, so I'm not able to upload a video. But today I'm going to talk about so many important things in this video guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so first of all, let's talk about the number of COVID-19 cases in the Saskatchewan. So I have data up to July 10, 2020, and up to that date 815 number of cases are reported in the Saskatchewan. Out of that, 4 patients are only hospitalized and 757 are already recovered from this, so that is a really good number, and 15 deaths are there till date in the Saskatchewan guides. And one more important thing is that the good news for the Regina is currently in Regina there is 0 active case, and in the Saskatoon 6 number of active cases are there. In the far north of the Saskatchewan, 21 number of cases are there. In North Saskatchewan, 7 number of cases. Central Saskatchewan, 4 number of cases. And South Saskatchewan, only 5 cases are there. So only we can say in the far north there are higher number of cases. In Saskatoon and the Regina, which is the main city for the Saskatchewan, and most of the immigrants will come to these cities only, are having a really low number of cases, and in Regina there is 0 case, so that is really good for the Regina guys. So this is actually the good news about the Saskatchewan guys. Okay, now let's move to the next topic, that is the part-time jobs. Currently the part-time job situation over here is really bad guys, because of COVID-19. In the summertime there are no more gatherings, festivals, and no more events are going on in the Saskatchewan. Everything is postponed for this summer, everything is cancelled actually for this summer. So there are really bad situation for the job market currently in the Saskatchewan, mostly for the part-time and the full-time jobs for the students guys. So I'm going to talk about particularly some jobs that are really affected because of the COVID-19. The first job that I'm going to talk about is the security guard jobs. Most of the students prefer to do security guard course before summer, and they prefer to do full-time job with security companies in the summertime, because security companies have a lot of jobs during the summertime, because so many events, festivals, and everything is actually happen in the summertime only over here in the Saskatchewan, because in the fall and the winter the weather is really horrible guys, right? So most of the events happen in the summertime, but because of the COVID-19 everything is cancelled this time, so no more job for the security guards. So only regular positions in some stores or some specific areas, those jobs are only going on for the security guards. No new more openings are there. So if you are preferring to do the job with the security guard during this summertime guys, it is waste of time and waste of your money, because there are no jobs for security guards. I know some of my friends did the security guard course, they have spent it $350, but they are not getting a single shift with the companies. So that is really bad guys, and students are suffering a lot because of this COVID-19, because they don't have a full-time job now. Most of the students planned in such a way that they will do full-time job in the summer, so that they can recover some money for the 2 or 3 semester. But because of this situation they are in a really bad condition right now guys. Also Walmart jobs, mostly the students will do job over here in the Walmart. but because of this COVID, there are no more hirings going on in the Walmarts, so students don't have options to go and join the Walmart also. So situation is really really bad, and mainly I can say that if you are planning to do security guard course and security guard job, don't go for the security guard course for now, because it is waste of time and waste of money. Maybe after few months, if the situation will be better, then you can think about it, but for now I won't suggest anyone to go for the security guard course. Okay. Also now, some of my friends who got the co-op and internship, actually some of my friend already received the confirmation from the company, and they also received the date from the company to join the company for the co-op or internship. But due to this COVID-19, they cancelled the position, not even postponed, they cancel the position. So now student lost that internship also. So many of my friends lost the internship, even I lost some of the interviews, and I'm damn sure that I'm gonna get one internship with the actually the government of Saskatchewan. But because of this COVID, they have postponed everything, and they actually didn't make a selection from the 4 students. I'm one of the 4 students. So yeah, situation is really bad, guys. Also for the skip the disease job, guys, skip the disease job, as far as I know, before 2 months, guys, the skip the disease have closed their application. Means you cannot make the account on the skip the disease, so you cannot go for the skip the disease job, because they stopped hiring for few weeks or few days, I don't know, but yeah, for before 2 months you cannot apply for that. But now they have again opened their hiring procedure, so now you can go on the skip the disease website and make the account. So that is a good news for the students who wants to do the skip the disease job. If they have the if you have a car and if you want to do the skip the disease job, this is actually the good news for you guys. Now one more thing that I want to talk about is moving to other place for the job. I heard that some of the students are moving from Regina to different places to do the job part-time or full-time, because they are not getting a job over here, because the classes at the university and the colleges are online now, so you can move to the other places to do the job. So that is actually the good news for everyone. So I know one person who moved to the Saskatoon, because he is having a relative in the Saskatoon, and they are having a business there, and they can give him a job at least 40 hours. So he already spent 2 months here. Actually, it's already 2 months are passed for the summer, and students are not getting a job, so that is really frustrating for them. And now they have only 2 months left for the full-time job, because after summer they cannot do the full-time jobs. So that person moved to the Saskatoon, and he is going to work full-time for at least 2 months over there, and he can attend the classes of the university online. So that is actually the good idea. And I also suggest that if you can get a job somewhere near to your place, wherever in the Canada you are, if you get a job near to your place and you can move to that place, I suggest you can go for that and you can do job over there. Because if you are not getting a job at your place, it is waste of time, right? And summertime is the peak time for the students to do the full-time job and earn money, so that they can pay for their fees, right? So this is the job situation currently in the Saskatchewan, or I can say that currently in the Canada, because wherever you are in the Canada, the situation will be the same, most probably, uh, that all the students are facing in the Saskatchewan. Same situation will be you are going to face in any place of the Canada, I guess. Now next thing that I want to talk about is University of Regina, guys. So currently the classes are online, and the university, guys, actually the camera switched off automatically because of the heating. The temperature is really high, and it shows that the temperature of the camera increases a lot, so it closes automatically. That's crazy, guys. So yeah, what I'm talking about is the University of Regina now. So University of Regina is having online classes, but so university is definitely closed, but there are some services open at the university, that is the library. If you want to issue the book from the library, you can visit the library, you can use the computers at the library, but you cannot sit and study in the library, so that is the problem. But there is good news for the students who wants to study at the university actually. If you don't like to study at home, of course, in Canada, international students are staying in a group, and sometimes they, like in 1 BHK or 2 BHK apartment, it's really hard to study and focus on study because of so many students are staying together. So atmosphere is really not so good to study. So many students prefer to study at the university, mostly in the library or some areas at the university. Even I used to prefer to study at the university. So good news is that, guys, you can go to study, you can go to university and study over there, because they have allocated some areas at the university, study areas, and they have arranged the sitting arrangement in such a way that it will follow the social distancing. So that is really good news, though the sitting arrangement is not so much, so there are only few couple of number of seats, and you have to go and reserve your seat. Otherwise, if you go late and sometime, that there is no place to sit over there, and you have to come back again to home. So this is the situation actually. But good news is that you can go actually to the university and study in the university, guys. As you entered in the university, you will find one person is sitting at the entrance. You have to give your student ID or staff ID, and then only they will allow you to enter into the university. So you have to have the students of the University of Regina or the staff of the University of Regina, then only you can enter into the university. And the same situation is in the Saskatchewan Polytechnic and University of Saskatchewan, and I guess in overall Canada, any educational institution will have same situation. So good news is that they have allocated study area for the students, so students can easily go over there and study. So I think I have covered everything for today in this video, guys. If you have any question or concern, then let me know by commenting in the comment section below, and I will try to make regular videos. I am really busy with my project work and my final semester, my job and everything, so it's really difficult for me to manage the time. But after finishing my study, I'm going to finish my study in the mid-August, so then I am definitely gonna make the videos regularly, guys. So yeah, if you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe to the Ram's Life channel, press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from me, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Till then, you take care, my friends, and bye bye.